Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best insights into the latest gear and gadgets.
Today, we're diving into the SHIMANO L05A-RF resin disc brake pads, touted as the best Shimano 105 brake pads on the market.
Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just getting started, these pads promise top-tier performance and reliability. Let's unpack why they've earned such a reputation. The SHIMANO L05A-RF pads are designed for excellence in braking. They feature a resin compound that strikes a perfect balance between stopping power and durability. What sets these apart is their FINNED alloy backplate, engineered to dissipate heat effectively, ensuring consistent performance even under intense braking conditions. Installation is straightforward, making them accessible for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike.
Their compatibility spans across various Shimano models, including the popular 105 series, ensuring a seamless fit and functionality. This makes upgrading or replacing your brake pads a hassle-free experience.
On the road, these pads shine bright.
Cyclists praise their responsive braking and quiet operation, which enhances the overall riding experience.
Whether you're tackling city streets or descending mountain passes, the SHIMANO L05A-RF pads inspire confidence with every squeeze of the lever.
Now, how do they stack up against the competition?
Well, their resin compound offers a quieter and more progressive feel compared to metallic alternatives,
making them ideal for riders who prioritize smooth, controlled braking over aggressive bite.
Some may wonder about longevity. Rest assured, these pads are built to last, striking a balance between wear and performance. With proper care and maintenance, they'll serve you well through many miles of riding.
In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your Shimano 105 brakes or simply seeking reliable performance in all conditions, the Shimano L05A-RF resin disc brake pads deserve serious consideration. Click the link in the description below to check them out for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations on gear that
enhances your outdoor adventures. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.